Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with the Mega Movers 18-piece premium moving system. Now this is going to allow you to move furniture up to 2,600 pounds all by yourself. So anything from safes, refrigerators, filing cabinets, and everything else. Now this works on the basic principle of leverage, and it comes with these risers so you can lift furniture of many different heights. And it comes with 4 trolleys so you can place these on each corner of the furniture. And you don't have to worry about which way you place the trolleys because they have a turntable on top which can be easily adjusted. Now you may have seen that we've sold a similar set like this in the past, but this has been upgraded so that you can use this on all types of carpet, thanks to the new sliders. Now the sliders have most likely come pre-installed, but these pop on and off super easily. What's truly amazing about this set is no matter your size or stature, you'll be able to rearrange your room in no time. Now this is going to pay for itself the very first time you use this. You won't be wasting money on those expensive movers, and you won't waste time waiting for those unreliable people to show up. Now we already know this set is insanely popular, and this is a closeout, so we bought all we could, which means the colors may vary. Now we have an incredible deal on this, so that means you won't break your back nor the bank. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.